Welcome to ECIO 2024 here in Palma de Mallorca. We are here for a technology snapshot, and I will discuss and present my experience with Surgnova technologies. I've been using this device for 3 years, and my experience with the device started with animal studies. I was lucky enough to have an animal study sponsored by HDTech Technology in France. We were able to test the system in pigs models, and what we learned from that the ablation zones are kind of very spherical, that the ablation zones are very reproducible. And I think this is very important because we treat both liver and lung, and as you know, it's kind of difficult to get really reproducible lesion in the lung, but using the system, if you read the paper, you will see that it was the case. And those lesions were kind of round shape, I guess because of the embedded cooling system in this technology that makes the lesion round shapes. We had no comet effects, we have no skin burns, and those lesions were round shape. And building on this experience in animals, then we can go to clinical practice to be very confident. We have treatment algorithm. What we learned from those treatment algorithms was as well that if you want to be as reproducible as possible, you have to treat during like 8 to 10 minutes. I mean, short ablations are very nice, they are very rapid. You can build up a very large volume of ablation in a short period of time. But if your goal is really reproducibility, just remember that it's worth to spend like 4 to 5 minutes, and then you'll have more reproducible lesions. So we have been using Surgnova technology for 3 years now. We are kind of happy with the results. We publish our early experience in CVIR. This is a prospective studies with Gustave Roussy, Hôpital Civil de Lyon, and Mayabi Baptiste Institute with Dr. Raj Narayan. If you can read this paper, you will learn that ablation zones were really spherical. We get the same result in humans that we demonstrated in animals. You can see that our control rate is above 90%, so safety margin, large ablation, good control rate. And if you go on a more, let's say, practical basis, you can see that those needles are, of course, water-cooled, and this is the reason for spherical ablations and no burns and no comet effect. But you can see as well that when you use a needle, it's very easy, it's very light, it's very user-friendly, because you can first place your needles, and then afterwards, you will take the cable and you will connect the cable to the needle just before ablation. That makes really the experience very user-friendly. Having said that, we are ongoing. We are treating patients with microwave ablation, but we expand our portfolio to irreversible electroporations. And we have now an ongoing experience with the electroporation from Surgnova. And I hope that at CIRSE next year or ECIO next year, I will be able to present some results about our ablation technology with electroporation. Thank you so much. Have a very nice ECIO 2024.